can't see my head. Okay. Hey, boys and girls, I'm trying to get this so that you can see my head. Okay. Today you do have an application problem, so I am going to walk you through it. The only thing I'm not going to do today, though, is give you the answer. So I will walk you through it. I will help you find the most important information. I will even help do part of the application down here, but then you are going to have to use your thinking to come up with the answer on the Seesaw assignment. Okay? All right, so remember, with these story problems, we have to read through them once. Remember, this isn't something that's just, okay, I'm going to read it and do it and be done. These are they're designed for you to really think. So I'm going to read it. Hira was making a number bracelet with a total of 10 beads on it. She has put on 3 red beads so far. How many more beads does she need to add to the bracelet? Explain your thinking in a picture and number sentence. So, first things first, I'm going to underline the most important information in my problem, okay? Hira was making a number bracelet with a total of 10 beads on it. So that number 10 is important because it is the total. That's the total number of beads she's going to have on her bracelet. So I am going to underline the 10 because that's how we're going to know when to stop counting. We're not going to put any more than 10 beads on the bracelet, okay? She has put on 3 red beads so far. So it's important to know that she put on, I'm just going to underline this whole sentence. She has put on 3 red beads so far. That means she has a bracelet, she has 3 red beads, and she put them on her bracelet. Remember, her bracelet's only going to have 10 beads on it. So the question is, how many more beads does she need to add to the bracelet? And I'm going to underline this like this so we know. This is the question. This is what we want to solve. How many more beads does she need to add to the bracelet? So, in order to help you solve the problem, I'm using a 10 frame, and this is going to be where you show me your work anyway on your Seesaw assignment, using a 10 frame. Can anybody guess why I used a 10 frame? I'll give you a hint. Because we're working with the number 10, okay? So remember, our 10 frames are 10 blank squares. Alrighty, to show the number 10 is when we fill in the squares with dots. This is the part I'm going to show you. So she's going to have only 10 beads. How many does she put on so far? 3 red beads. So in my 10 frame, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, she put on 3 red beads so far. Your job is to figure out how many more beads she needs to get to 10. So I'll give you a hint. You already have 3 squares filled in. Choose another color. How many more squares need to be filled in to get to 10? And then once you have your 10 frame filled out, you are going to write your number sentence right next to it. What number plus what number equals, we already know the total is 10, okay? So I'm not giving you the answers. I already helped you enough. So it's going to be your job to go back in when you complete this assignment to show me your thinking and show me what answer you got. Okay, so good luck. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.